Hi, thanks for joining me. It's Thursday morning, 10:20, and I'm off to the White Horse at Kilburn to do some 360 photos and some filming using my DJI Spark. Why so late for me? Well, the UAV app suggested 11, 12 and 1 o'clock was best for the most satellites. Lowish wind, under 20 mile an hour. So I'm taking the advice of the app and setting out to go to Kilburn for an hour or so. It's quite a climb from the upper car park to the actual White Horse, but we'll give it a go. I plan to take the Insta360 1X camera and my 14 metre pole. I probably won't use all 14 metres, but I'll use enough to frame the shot so that the White Horse looks dramatic enough and we can see the surrounding countryside of North Yorkshire. Once I've got the 360 photos, I'll go back down to the car park, set up the drone, have a quick flight, try and capture the White Horse in all its glory. And then I might drop in my old fishing haunt at Willow's Lake at the Oaks. But we'll see how it goes. Thanks for joining me. Wish me luck.
Almost there. Here's the staircase. Good job there's handrails. Well, I made it, and what a view. Looking out over the North Yorkshire moors. A friend joined me. I might seek some help later. Look at that view. The camera doesn't quite do it justice. It looks a little bit overcast, but I can assure you it was beautiful. There's the glider being towed off. This is a good opportunity to see how they do actually get off the ground. Flying a drone in this area is subject to a very limited height. So be interesting to see if we can work within the allowed height limit. For now, I've got my 360 camera on the end of a long pole. I'll do a few vertical shots and then I'll point the pole out in front of me over the white horse. The camera has been started and I'm now viewing what the camera can see with the app on the phone. Back to the cine camera view. Quite a few people on the ridge today taking advantage of the fine weather. Yep, last minute tips from a flying expert. All the way back down for a much needed ice cream and a bottle of fizzy orange. I'll recover from my climb. I watch the gliders take off, noting the route. Stating again that there is a ceiling for drone flying in this area, so the DJI app governs what is a safe distance to fly, and I'm quite happy because I've got the shot I wanted, the white horse. There we go. Nice to see up close and personal. We'll have a little look around at the countryside again. It was always going to be a simple up and down flight by the spark, no fancy manoeuvres. I don't want to get in anybody's way. Live and let live is my motto. All that's left is a last look at the white horse and then a descent into a hand stroke palm retrieval landing. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon.